We all have been waiting for Luna Classic update, and today I have came back with another big update that's definitely gonna pump the price of Luna Classic, and along with this even USDC might get some revival. Well, it may not reach $1, but still I'm expecting that the price might reach at least 50 cents in the future. So I will be sharing with you what are the basic reasons that's gonna push the price of Luna Classic and USDC. Along with this, I have made a research on top 5 coins that you can buy now. These are the most precious gem of the bull market, and they're definitely gonna give you very huge profit. And I see that their price is already in the buying range, and it's the right time to buy them or even book the profits. Although you might have already seen the Solana has given huge profits around $100, but it has another big update that's definitely gonna push the price of Solana beyond $100. So once again, welcome back to PolarByte channel. I'm Ash and I'm an analyst and a trader of cryptocurrencies since more than 5 years. I've shared my views on the basis of the crypto trends and help you build your wealth through cryptocurrencies. So we all are gonna become millionaires, especially if you're following the right trend in this bull run. The most exciting thing right now is the BTC around 43,000, 44,000, and even the fear and greed index is around 75. That assures that there's some more greed and people are willing to buy coins even in FOMO. That means they don't wish to miss the price, they wish to buy whatever price it's available at. If you give a look at Ethereum, its price is around $2,200 or $2,300 and it hasn't reached $5,000. Why? The major reason that we could saw that Ethereum ETF has got no news and its decision has been postponed. It's being done just because of some institutions and some even maybe government agencies. They're trying to accumulate Ethereum as much as possible so that they can push it later. Once the accumulation is done, you will start finding news about Ethereum ETFs, and definitely you will find the price of Ethereum's beyond even $5,000. Well, we have been optimistic all this time, so now let's move on to LUNC, and then I will share my list of 5 coins that you can buy now. Although LUNC and USDC are still on my list, but they're separate from our 5 gems list. So now there's another proposal being proposed which says tax to gas. The only thing that can push the price of Luna Classic is the most of the supply. If it's getting burned somehow, maybe some even if exchanges are trying to burn it, or if the community or the validators are trying to burn it, then definitely the price will rise up. What we need actually here is that Binance exchanges or maybe KuCoin exchange, such exchanges to burn LUNC, burn USDC, so that the supply should come down. But along with this, there are some proposals which aim to burn it around 1.5% on each transaction happening on-chain. So it will be considered as 1.5% tax, which includes 1.2% burn tax and 0.3% to just fund the chain. Although it has not been approved right now, but it's still being expected. There's a major reason that why project developers, they are not coming on the chain or the Luna chain, but the community is making some efforts to bring more utility to the chain anyhow. But if once tax to gas gets approved, then definitely we're gonna see a huge pump in USDC and LUNC. You might be looking at the prices, they are down by almost 10%. If we look at the month, we have gained more than 100%. But if we look at the 7 days chart, we can see that it's already down by 10%. So I'm expecting something good in the upcoming days, which might get approved by validators. So now let's move on to our 5 coins list. You can already see that there are many coins pumping one by one. Every coin that we bought in the bear market to hold it for bull market is now giving us really good profits. So beginning from the first coin, that's Solana. And why I'm choosing Solana first, because we already know that its price has almost touched $100, and we might be thinking that there cannot be another pump. But when it comes to the good updates, it can easily pump from here even $1,000. There are such possibilities. It's going to become a very huge competition to Ethereum already. You might have seen that Solana already flipped BNB yesterday. Their market cap was almost similar, but I don't know how the BNB somehow gained the market cap. Maybe it was pushed by the company itself, and you can see its market cap has reached more than $40 billion. But because of rise in the prices of Solana, it's again very much close to BNB already. So it can again flip BNB anytime. But if we look at Solana, it has more good news, which I'm going to share with you. So it's our first coin. The Tron founder Justin Sun already said that Tron Link wallet team is exploring integration with Solana, so that's gonna push Solana even further. How is that gonna happen? Because Tron Link already has about 10 million users across the globe, and if the integration happens for real, then for sure I'm gonna see Solana at least giving me 50% profit from here within December. And I wish to tell you that Hobby Global has already been named as HTX, and because it has got integration with the Tron, which means TRX, that's the reason that why it has been named as HTX. And whenever you go to Hobby Global Exchange, you will find that there are prime pools where you can stake your Trons TRX to earn a new token. You can farm there. So you will find a link of Hobby Global in the description. You can sign up there and start farming with your TRX. So now let's move on to our second token. So now our real list begins here. So the next coin that I'm expecting very huge gain is from Filecoin. Filecoin, which was once around $200. Right now it's sitting around just $5. And it has been very long that it has not shown any gains in the previous few days, even the entire bear market and even in the beginning of the bull market. But a lot has been happening behind. There are so many iterations, new projects are being built on Filecoin. And if you don't know, Filecoin is one of the biggest Web3 storage projects which stores data on blockchains. And whenever you will see a rally of Web3 coins, the first coin that's gonna pump is Filecoin. And our third coin is Internet Computer, ICP by Definity. So again, it's similar coin, again Web3 coin, working on AI, the coin that has already got around $750 and right now it's sitting around $10. It has its real use case and it has always been my most favorite token. And it has been building trustless multi-chain on ICP. So we can see that most of the good projects have built something good in the bear market. So it was one of the developing phase of every good project. Right now they are bringing those projects and putting them into use, and that's the reason that why we will see a ICP again making us at least 10x from here. So now let's move on to our fourth coin. The next best coin is Polkadot. So DOT is still around $8, and if you don't know, its price has reached around $60 or even more in the past, and it has not been performing well, but now it has got very huge update. So now Polkadot is integrating with Pokemon Go and Call of Duty Mobile Engine. So these two games are one of the biggest games. Since this last update, we are already seeing that there's an increase of around 10% in the entire week. So now Polkadot will be joining Unity's verified solution, and they are collaborating with Parity Tech and Unity Games. So if that happens, it's gonna bring more collaboration with more Web3 gaming spaces in future. That's the reason why we could see the volume in the last 24 hours has increased by around 100% in Polkadot. Everyone is betting on Polkadot that its price is surely gonna double up from here. The last coin is Optimism. The Optimism, even the name is Optimism, the OP coin. You can find it on CoinMarketCap. Even it's available on Hobby Exchange, on Binance. You will find all the exchanges links in the description. So in just one day, you can see the volume of 24 hours of OP coin has increased around 150% and market cap has increased by almost 20 to 30%. Actually, it happens right after the mainnet break its barrier of huge milestone. The Optimism got its TVL around $5 billion. So it proved as very good news for the holders of OP coins, and they have been trading on OP since then and earning a very good profit. If you don't know, OP works as a layer 2 for Ethereum network, and it acts as a network's second layer expansion solution. The scalability, speed, and stability of the chain increases with these layer 2 blockchain solutions, out of which OP is one of the most preferred chain. And if you go to transactions, or if you're gonna try to transact any coin on Binance, you will find that Optimism chain is always there. So these were our 5 coins which I wish to share with you. Along with this, I shared some updates on LUNC. I hope you liked this video, and if you need fundamental or technical analysis on any coin, just comment below. I will bring a new video with that. And please make sure that you like this video and share this video with your friends who wish to buy the best altcoins in the world. And make sure you subscribe to PolarByte channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.